Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best truck floor mats. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The ZONETECH. All-weather rubber floor mats offer a premium, heavy-duty solution for protecting your vehicle's interior from the elements. Crafted from high-quality PVC and natural rubber, this three-piece set is engineered for long-lasting durability and resilience. The surface features intelligently designed ridges and nibs that effectively trap mud, snow, water, and debris, preventing messes from reaching your car's floor. Unlike traditional rubber liners, these mats are completely odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a comfortable environment for all passengers. The universal fit is fully customizable, featuring trimmable edges that allow you to tailor the shape to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs perfectly. Maintenance is incredibly simple. The waterproof and stain-resistant material can be cleaned by a quick spray of water and air drying. These mats provide a clean, professional look while delivering reliable, year-round protection for any active driver. Number 4. Husky liners. Weatherbeater floor mats offer a premium, vehicle-specific solution for Ford F-150 owners seeking total interior protection. Utilizing advanced 3D laser scanning technology, these liners provide a precision fit that delivers edge-to-edge coverage tailored to the specific contours of your truck's floorboards. The proprietary ProGuard formula ensures the mats remain soft and flexible to prevent curling while providing a comfortable feel underfoot. For maximum stability, the underside is equipped with hundreds of stay-put nibs that grip the factory carpet, ensuring a secure, no-slip surface. These heavy-duty mats are engineered to withstand the toughest debris, making them incredibly easy to remove and spray clean. Proudly made in the USA, this three-piece set is built to endure a lifetime of daily use, providing peace of mind and maintaining your vehicle's interior in like-new condition regardless of the environment. Number 3. The BDK Heavy-Duty 4-Piece Floor Mat Set provides comprehensive all-weather protection for a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, crossovers, SUVs, trucks, and vans. These mats are engineered to guard your interior against spills, rain, snow, and mud, ensuring your factory flooring remains in pristine condition through every season. For a tailored appearance, the trim-to-fit design allows you to customize the dimensions to align perfectly with your specific vehicle's layout. The top surface features ergonomic grooves for enhanced foot traction and comfort, complemented by a premium needle punch carpet heel pad for added durability. Stability is a core focus, as the underside is equipped with rubberized anti-slip nibs to prevent the mats from shifting during use. Installation is straightforward, and the mats are easily removed for quick cleaning, offering a practical and long-lasting defense against daily debris and unexpected messes. Number 2. The CarPass. All-weather rubber floor mats offer a heavy-duty 4-piece protection system designed to safeguard your vehicle's interior in every season. These all-black mats feature deep ridge channels specifically engineered to trap mud, dirt, snow, and water, preventing liquids from leaking onto your factory carpets. Constructed from a flexible material that naturally molds to your car's interior, they provide a semi-customizable fit for most sedans, SUVs, and vans. For those seeking precision, integrated cuttable lines allow you to trim the edges for a tailored look. Safety is prioritized with an anti-slip nibbed backing that grips the vehicle's carpet tightly to prevent shifting during travel. Maintenance is effortless, as the waterproof surface can be quickly wiped clean or washed with soap and water. These durable mats ensure your cabin remains pristine while offering a sleek, professional aesthetic for any automotive enthusiast. Number 1. Motor Trend. FlexTough floor mats provide superior all-weather protection, shielding your vehicle's interior from the harshest elements like snow, rain, and mud. Crafted from a proprietary heavy-duty rubber blend, these mats are engineered for maximum durability, ensuring they will not crack or deform even under extreme conditions. The innovative deep dish design acts as a reservoir to contain spills and debris, keeping your factory carpets in pristine condition. Designed with a universal fit in mind, the flexible material naturally molds to the contours of your car, truck, or SUV. For a truly tailored look, the integrated trim lines allow you to easily customize the shape to your specific vehicle's footwell. Maintenance is remarkably simple, as dirt and stains can be quickly wiped away with basic soap and water. These rugged liners offer a practical, long-lasting solution for any driver seeking a clean and well-maintained cabin.